Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Unionbank Error Code LR999. The error reads, "We are sorry, but we encountered an error while processing your request. Please try again later." As per our research, this error occurs when users try to process a request on the Unionbank app, including issues related to the Unionbank Lazada card redemption. According to our research, this error may be caused by temporary system issues, outdated app versions, or server-side problems. If you just had the error and didn't try anything, then close the Unionbank app, restart your device, and then reopen the app to check if the error still appears. If restarting didn't help, check if a new update is available for the Unionbank app. If there is an update, install it and try again. If the error persists, it is likely a server-side issue. In this case, wait for some time and try again. If the error continues for too long, we recommend reaching out to Unionbank support to report the issue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.